So, let's start by opening the Engraver app. Tap Pictures, and select the image that we just saved. And then, we crop the image. We choose the black and white engraving mode. Then we connect to the machine via Bluetooth. Next, we adjust the size of the image that would fit into the wood sample. Also, we adjust the laser power and laser speed of the machine. For this setup, we will use 50% laser power and 60% laser speed. Finally, tap Start and wait for file transfer. Always remember to wear eye protection when using laser machine. Also, always use images with white background and not transparent. Well, the engraved image is nice, clear, clean, and exactly the same as the one we've drawn.